got the cake for us.
Well, I think we can. There we go.
Thank you. We'll request that you, Bishop and Mr. President.
No, I didn't come to this kindergarten. I was at North. My brother came to the kindergarten. Yeah? Exams coming up. Are you working hard? Yeah? Keep it up. Make sure. Make sure.
Today's his day.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah. So,